Okay, guys. We're
Yep.
turning right here, I think. Going to this. So we go up here, then we take first right in half a mile.
Oh,
Close, cool.
Yep.
Yeah. His agenda is a meander down to a little village called Lavenham. It's below Bury St Edmunds. And it's supposed to be, I think, one of the oldest towns that is still sort of kept its sort of originality. I think that's the word.
Yep.
So we're going to go and have a look at that, have a coffee break, and then, yeah, meander back another way later. So, yeah, hopefully it should be nice. Beautiful village, apparently.
What about 167 miles is it round trip?
157 miles.
157.
So equal to what was happening yesterday, so that should just do us nicely.
Beautiful.
It's all inland, so hopefully, yeah, have a stop mid-flow. So it should be a pleasant day. Weather, I think, is just dashing down out the way now, so it should be okay if it's kind to us.
Brilliant.
There you are.
Oh, it's
Lavenham.
and I'm just going to start the day off with this indicator pole at the front.
Thank you.
brilliant. And it's the Friday the 5th of July. Day 4. Home tomorrow.
Yeah.
Boo.
Look at that blue sky over there.
Yeah.
Look at the cow.
I see no cows.
There's some absolutely lovely thatch work here. Top of the roofs.
Yeah. Stunning, isn't it? That's a proper skill, that is.
Yeah. I bet
I'm gonna
old
stop here.
thatchers
I want
charge
a wee.
someone.
I need a wee. I'm going to pull over here.
Okay, bud.
Need a wee.
Ugh.
Oh. Have a wee somewhere. God, where can I have a wee? Oh, cars. Too busy here, isn't it?
No, just stand in the corner there. Don't worry about it. No one's going to see. No one's going to.
We'll
no one's going to care. We can't see it, Paul.
We're
I've only
shielded.
been videoed.
We're shielding you
liver
from
up.
this direction. You're already.
Dave's only got it on. Dave's got it on video. Don't worry.
You're already exposed yourself in Scotland to the world.
That woman's just been disgusted.
Yeah. Look at that man peeing
It's
in
just
the
gone
head.
through the bloody fence. It's gone through the bloody fence.
Oh.
We're shielding you. You got a human shield.
Human shield.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
So everybody cups of tea.
That's all that tea, that is.
Did I flipping heck. Some days you get it though. I remember the one.
Yeah.
They had 14 days, 8 hours.
Yeah. Welcome to my world.
Yeah. Terrible.
Yeah, I'm sure this is going to stop sometime today, you think to yourself?
Yeah. Nerves in my back.
Is that drinking water now, Paul?
Pardon?
Do you drink a lot of water through the day?
Now what it is, I think it's because I got my back damage and your nerves. Some days it's great, other days you'll want to go 15 minutes after you've been. So I've had it tested and everything. It went on for about 18 months, and they said you're just probably a mechanism gone funny. Keeps telling you want to go, so you have to drink, otherwise you dehydrate.
Yeah, but
We know that many times, it's mad. That was like 20 years ago. That was.
It happens to me though, because I have to drink the water now, because it cleans your body out, the water, your kidney and
Of course
liver
it does,
and
yeah.
everything.
Cleans, yeah, you got to drink. I have plenty of water, but some days I'll go and I don't need a wee. Then other days I do. Terrible.
Yes.
I've been before I went, and it's like pressure on your bladder as well when you sit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Terrible.
Yes,
One
you.
time, that's why when we used to go away, I was obsessed with toilets.
Yeah.
I was always wanting to wee.
Younger viewers,
Light-hearted conversation.
this is what you've got to look forward to. Looking
Yeah.
for the next place to have a wee.
Yep.
Yeah,
I hate
Dave.
to be a woman.
Yeah, Dave's experiencing it firsthand. What it's like to be
Yeah.
20 years older than he is.
I'm still trying to work out a device that you can have on the end of it. You can just wee in, and a pipe comes down your leg and goes out the bottom of your trousers.
There is
You
a
need a
device.
holding chamber to hold your wee so it don't come all back into your pants.
It's called a
That's the
catheter.
trouble.
You can have
Yeah,
a
well,
catheter
catheter on.
fitted.
I have to have one of them fitted. You can keep pulling in and out. You must wee when you stop, because if you wee when you're going along, somebody's going to get it like windscreen, so all nice and sweet.
Oh, God.
That'd be the problem, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
What's that taste like? That's nice.
You'd have to just drop to the back.
Yeah.
You'd have to drop to the back
Yeah.
every time you need a wee.
Yeah. If you've got a catheter in, you're at the back.
Yep.
Saw him yesterday.
Yeah, we did actually, didn't we?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Going to go shopping, newspaper.
All good in the hood.
Farting, Dave.
You what, mate?
Was I farting?
Now Dave in front of me.
No, I was just leaning the bike off my ass cheeks. Now and again I give my ass cheeks a little rest by leaning it the other way. It's called weight distribution.
Oh, yeah. Just a quickie, you Paul. Are you supposed to have your indicator on?
Yeah, we're turning right here.
Okay.
Yes. False alarm.
I think we're going pretty
Come
much
on.
straight over.
Yeah,
Straight over
false
it.
alarm.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I would say so.
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah, right
yeah.
then left, yeah.
Right, no, that's it. Over there. Kung Fui.
Another great cut, yeah.
Kung Fui.
Gotta jump.
Gotta
Gotta jump here, boys. Hope Paul's on one.
Gotta be there for a certain time.
Not really.
He's absolutely cooking.
Told you he's fast, didn't I?
Hey?
Told you he's fast.
He's
Yeah.
cooking. This is cute.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's this place called?
Hingham.
Hingham.
Dave,
Yeah, got it, nice.
there's a sheep on top of the, or the hawk. What is it? Deer?
It's a deer.
The, another beautiful church.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I turn now.
Yeah, we should have turned there.
Yeah, I should turn there. Okay.
So,
Harrods of Hingham.
I think I'm going too fast for the beeline, as mad as it seems. I wouldn't get out here.
Yeah, all good. All good.
not bad.
I was trying to scare the old lady.
Twisties.
Lovely jubbly.
Cyclists.
Indicator Dave Middle.
Dave Middle.
Yeah.
Dave Front.
It's just now you're
Dave
confusing
Middle.
everything.
Now I'm confusing everybody, Dave, back.
You are.
I was going to plough through way actually. Oh, not this one. Carry on a bit further to another lie-by. Another passing place. Further. Another way, I think. Is it? Junction. Field. Trying to find somebody to get everybody in, that's the problem.
Yeah.
If you lose,
Entrance to a yard. Pull in here, I am. Have a word.
all I could do with a wee, lads.
Right. So Shropham, we're about to irrigate the countryside.
Drop him. I'm about to drop him.
Oh,
Shropham.
I'm going in the bushes.
You're going to drop
I'm
them
going in the bushes.
Drop them in Shropham.
I'm going in the bushes, yeah, because I need to drop the kids off.
Oh, you know.
I gotta do it in there.
Have you got any tissue?
Now you throw me pants away after. I'm only joking.
Oh dear me. What are you like? Can't take him anywhere.
What was that day, David? Up the 20th, did you say?
20th.
the what?
20th of this month. 20th of July. A day of infamy. Infamy. They've all got in infamy. Just drinks. Oh dear God.
Horrendous.
Horrendous.
right, here we go.
Okay, boys.
Okay.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Another church.
Just right here. Got it. All right, the churches.
Very narrow bit here to get through. Gravel. Up.
Up.
Yeah.
Up. Line
Up.
yourself up.
Up.
Yep. Straight down the middle. Retrieve one's testicles.
Yeah.
Oh, no, and again.
Pheasant.
Oh, poor fella.
They are the worst crossers of roads, though. Them dozy birds.
Yeah.
There's a car coming, quick! Run in front of it. Dead.
Yeah.
They're really designed to fly, aren't they? Really?
You think they'd learn to cross the road having that to their detriment, wouldn't you?
Yeah, in all these years, yeah.
Yeah. The Green Cross Code. Remember the Green Cross Code, Dave, or is that too early for you?
No, we had. Yeah, I'm sure we had a crossing code of some sort. Yeah, when I was little. I think it was called the Green Cross Code. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop, look, and listen. Shit.
That's it. With the Green Cross Code man, who was Darth Vader.
We had the, oh no.
What?
This,
Oh no. Oh, the road. Oh, Christ, yeah. Ugh. Motorcyclist nemesis.
Yeah, I hate this shit.
Do you remember we was in Northumberland diving and we got to come to past Kilda Reservoir, that one road? Every day we had to come past it, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah,
It was just thick of it.
yeah. It really is horrible.
the cross code in Birmingham is now you see him, now you know.
Yeah. Oh, and that's got a semi-spire on it.
Got a turn here, guys.
Okay.
Yep. Pigs! A whole
pigs.
load of pigs.
Pigs.
Pigs as far as the eye can see.
There's a lot of pigs.
Pigs.
Oh!
Oh, that's a lot of bacon there.
Right on. Sure.
That's a lot of bacon, boy. It's got to be harder to keep than any other. You don't need every sheep don't need its own house, and every cow don't need its own house, does it?
No, they've got their own houses, don't they?
Yeah, they've got their own house. All detached as well, can you believe it?
Yeah, like an garden.
Bloody
And a
hell.
good view.
No wonder Pinky,
Looking like them.
no wonder Pinky and Perky had such a good life.
What?
Rushford. It's another pleasant little village. Nice.
What's the gravel in the middle?
Gee.
No?
Gee.
Nice.
I love the way they just open up these places like this.
Beautiful.
Just open up and it's just views. Oh, ho, ho.
At that.
Fakenham Magna.
That bus is shifting.
Oh, here's an eye. That's a corner. Oh, we got a turn there. That was good.
Yeah, we're turning right. I would have missed that, wouldn't we?
Stop a sec. I've got a fly in my eye, I think.
Nothing worse than a fly in the eye.
When you go on, Dave, I'll go past you.
Sorry, gents, I was on the phone now. I didn't realise we was going.
All right, mate.
Well, to Bury, so we're getting there now. It's down from Bury. Could be about 15 miles.
Yeah.
We've done 68 so far.
Yeah, I'm guessing at about 70 odd, I think. It's 157, so how many done? 50 odd. We've done 66 miles now. 66
We've
miles.
done 68. Yeah, 68 I've done.
So 60, so that's how many's off? Well, pretty far off bed, 10 mile away, I would have thought then.
Yeah.
I don't know what the big point was. Obviously we got to go back similar sort of, the opposite way, but the 10 miles.
Well, these roads are fantastic. You wouldn't care if you went back these way, would you?
Which could be going a different way completely, but took that bottom point, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They certainly have got some nice roads over here, haven't they?
Okay.
They're quite pleasant, aren't they?
Yeah.
I say everybody goes it's flat, but at least you can see where you're going half the time.
Yeah.
I mean, it's perfect bike roads. Yeah.
Bit of twistiness as well, every now and again.
Right, 4 mile, we'll have her now. We're going straight on, no, we're going round.
Going round,
We're going straight. No, we're going straight.
Round. We're going
Straight,
round.
straight.
Yeah, that's right. That's doing it again. Telling me round when it's straight on. Is this? Yeah, it is.
All good?
Yeah.
Sweet. So, straight over.
Over. Nice pub.
Jeez.
All over.
Yeah.
All over.
Okay, carry on.
Very nice
Carry
of
on,
them.
guys, over.
Very nice of them to
Well,
let us
okay.
do that.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice people. Very, very nice people.
Yeah, we'll come here again. They're very nice people. Stop building on all the countryside.
Yeah.
Literally.
God's sake. Build on all the brownfield crap sites first. Trouble is the farmers are just selling it off to make the money, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's the problem, because there ain't no money in agriculture
Yeah,
over here anymore.
that's the thing. I might as well sell my land, get the money, retire.
Yeah.
I think that's what they're doing there. All the land they've got, they're selling it off.
Yeah.
Round this island, second exit. Come on, love.
Okay.
Yeah, she don't know what
I
she's
think
doing.
he's telling us to go straight on, I think.
Yeah.
So I think it is this way. We'll see it in about 1 second.
Yeah, that's the way I've got.
1.2 miles.
Yeah. Still.
Turn left. Very
Yeah,
left.
all good.
Oh, look at that! Wow.
We should be able to get out after the minute.
It's dark.
Fishwick
Okay,
corner.
Dave.
Fishwick corner. Lovely. Oh, a
All
tree
over.
tunnel road.
All over.
Another
Over.
lovely tree tunnel road. Real cool and fresh through these, and it always.
Yeah, right.
What's that, the A14?
I said no, I don't know.
Bet it was.
Could be, yeah, it is. I'm low enough down to the 14 now.
All good, guys, all good.
Rough 'em.
Here comes the rain.
So right and then a left.
Round a bend, I think. Is it?
Yeah.
Should have left.
Yeah.
I know it is junction.
They always have these lovely, nice villages, don't they?
They're lovely, aren't
Yeah, that's nice. They'd have artwork to them for that particular place.
they? Yeah.
All around this part. Pleasant.
Really are nice.
Oh, it's a bend, but it was a road. Junction, it's a bend. Is it a bend? Is it a junction? It's a junction.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely.
Now it says road closed it again.
Just do it. See what's up there.
Chance here. Take a chance on me. Stop closing the bloody roads.
We've got 1.4 mile before we turn left down here. Again, that was the same as yesterday, that was.
Yeah.
Can always skirt across a farmer's field. Bit of off-roading.
Yeah.
Bloody
I'll
charming.
give through a bit of
place.
private land, isn't it?
Charming, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, like
Yeah.
yeah.
You wouldn't
Lovely.
think it was a normal road.
The other half live, eh?
Yeah,
They
that's
probably
where they are.
they pay to have that sign there so no one drives through their private road.
Pheasant on your left. I know, you're probably right there. There he is in there. Water tower again.
Yeah.
No, it's going to be closed. This is where it's going to be closed, which is probably that.
We've got to go left, we have.
Left in 150 yards.
Left.
Well, we're down here now. Let's just try and get past it.
We're
Throwing
clearing all the signs anyway. Get into this drive here.
Is that patched the road, they've done it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've done it.
Yeah, he's reopening the road.
That was a good move, boys. A very good move.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Just done it.
Pays to take the chance, doesn't it, now, with these
Yeah.
alleged
Yeah.
road closures?
100%.
We could never have seen how the other half live if we hadn't ignored that.
Now,
Yes, you wouldn't, would you?
No. We wouldn't have been humbled by their poshness.
These places. No shops though, is there, are they?
That's the problem, isn't it? You've got to go all the way out to go and get shopping, ain't you?
Delivery,
You can
mate.
have it delivered nowadays, isn't you? Yeah.
Send the butler out for it around here, mate.
Yeah.
And the scullery maid. Or the housekeeper.
You have her locked upstairs in the basement, in the cupboard.
Yeah. The gardeners to do the gardening. The cook to do your dinner. The housekeeper to do your cleaning. How's the Solihull feel about it?
Aye?
Does the Solihull feel about it?
Well, Solly all over you.
Or over
He's the fishmonger.
towards Lapworth and
Packwood, Lapworth, round there. Chadwick End.
Truly, Mousley End. Yeah.
Thatch roof being done, brand new one.
Yeah, wow. I love these shaped hedges.
Yeah, lovely.
A big old barn there.
Bring it on your left with the dome on top.
Yeah.
See, it's different.
Wow,
I bet that's converted into a room, that dome.
Yeah.
Like a turban.
It does look like a turban, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I've turned it into a wind turbine.
Wind turbine. I bet that opens up.
Yeah.
A wind turbine.
Wind turban.
Now we can see the stars.
Wind turban.
Yeah. For our Sikh friends. We love Sikhs. There's one on the front of your Hunter. Middle of the day on a Friday and the roads are just virtually empty.
Yep, isn't it?
Lucky people.
Guys, sorry guys, left there.
Okay, no problem.
Need a wee again, I'm losing my concentration on another wee. Half a mile.
Nearly there, ain't we?
I'm going to stop here for the wee, I am.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's go and have a look at the lavender field.
Off we go.
We stopped actually because I think it crushed us.
Yeah.
Coming up.
Yeah, we'd have had to squeeze in somewhere.
Yeah.
Preston, 1.5. It is lovely.
Flipping heck, is that all his eye on the road?
I know.
It's lavender. I think it's lavender. That don't look like lavender.
What are the blue
Oh, the smell's lovely. Smell it.
Oh, great.
Oh yeah.
Tree branch.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
I'm surprised you got that A-wagon through here.
Yeah, yeah. We just brought that twig down, eh?
Hey, yo, yo, yo. Hey, yo, yo, yo.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, I've been down Somerset too long. Yeah, I've...
You know what? I'm not sure that's lavender.
Hey, is it? Something else like I don't know what it is.
Don't smell like
It's
lavender. Don't smell like me nan.
Like what's the word?
Trying to think what the blue plant you
Oh
have.
shit! Okay, articulated lorry fructina.
Oh,
Just go onto the grass a little bit, if you can.
as far onto the grass as you can. That's it. And we'll do likewise.
I'm waiting here, let him go past. Otherwise I'm going to have slippy tyres.
Yep. It's good when it's like that. If you've got nothing at the edge that don't quite get your cargo down it.
Like, why is that coming down here? You know what I mean?
Farms. Be a farm or something.
All good?
Yeah, man.
Wait till Dave comes.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait till Dave comes.
Ours here.
Dave's it.
Gravel in the middle of the road. Oh, gravel on this bend as well. Be very careful.
Lots of... Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Gravel
whoa.
there.
Yeah,
Careful.
yeah.
Love you.
Love your off.
Don't bite a bit too quick, does it?
No,
Oh, no.
not on these roads.
We like a Miranda.
Yeah, and Lavenham.
Did they name it after lavender, as in the lavender fields?
You
Don't
never
know. I
know.
haven't got a clue. It's a very, very old town. I think it's the only one that's still like complete in it, Dave.
I don't know, mate.
The old, a lot of old properties, I think. A lot of, because things change over the years. A lot of them have been kept. I think.
I've only seen a video of it with the all your motorcyclists coming through here. It looked really lovely. And it is really lovely.
It looks very modern though.
Even the new stuff looks
This is the new stuff, yeah.
really nice. Wow. I'm taking a left.
Oh.
Beautiful.
The old buildings.
Yeah.
Like Henley and Arden, but nicer.
Yeah. Or Bilston.
No, it's how like
Bilston.
Bilston. Oh, it smells nice as well. Well, that could be just me.
See a coffee shop. Tell me what there, just. Yeah.
There's one right.
So we can park in the street if we dare, or we can get to a car park. Yeah, going. That's good. I've got to get to the car park first.
Car parks.
You see them lovely houses on the right then?
Hotel Restaurante.
Card. Get a card for somebody. 0.6.
Beautiful.
Branch off.
It's very quiet.
It is very well. Was.
Yeah.
Car park here. We can park on the road if you want.
So really
Shall we?
Sure. See what the car park's like.
Yeah. Toilet.
Lovely.
Right.
Is that, do you think that's no?
Oh, that's going to be the cock
This-
horse.
That's electric. Electric. Then.
Surgery. Park. Lorries. Let's see if there's a designated motorcycle thing. Don't look like it, does it? So what do you want to do? Do you want to go on to where they're gone?
Rear. Car was in our way.
Oh. Want to park here and have a walk in?
Yeah, can do, can't we?
I don't know what the pane's like.
Cock in
Can't
car
see any-
park.
I can't
Right.
see any machines.
Parking is for vehicle only. Parking is for the parking of vehicles only as defined by the current.
No parking meters, is there?
No, just it'll be alright.
Put them all in one space and we're not taking up spaces, are we?
We're going to go
Other
and
thing
contribute. We're going to go and contribute to the town. So you know, at the end of the day, there shouldn't be an issue.
That's exactly what we're going to go and
We
do.
only took one parking space up, so we only want one ticket.
Exactly, and we're going to go and contribute to the area. So, what more do you want?
Distribution box if you want to pay.
Okay.
Aye.
That's all right. I've got change. I'll go and chuck some in.